Hi, today I'm running Alcatel 1T10 Smart 2020 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store application and in the search bar enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, tap to OK, and now we could see here information about battery temperature, and in my case that's 34 degrees, and also we got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.